been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Wow, it feels weird vlogging it. I haven't picked up my camera in like 2 weeks. I know there's been videos and stuff like that, but I film like way ahead of time, so that's why I have those. I usually have like 10 uploads just pending while I make more videos, because I like to just be ahead of schedule. But now I'm down to nothing, and that's why I've been slacking on videos. But I've just been going through a lot. I've been way too busy to vlog, and just I really haven't had time to fit anything into my schedule. But the bug is running, the moped, the scooter is done except for my disc brake. So I mean, everything's alright right now. No new parts to add, so I haven't really been like too eager to film anything. Wow, this feels weird talking. I don't know why. Like, it feels really weird like looking at the camera right now. But I think it's just because it's been so long. There is something I need to show you guys. Not only is there something like right here that I have to show you guys, but also this, which I've already opened because I forgot that this was coming, and I thought it was something else. So I already opened this because I didn't know it was this package, but basically a company reached out to me under the name of Into the AM, and they make pretty sweet clothes. If you guys want to check them out, I'll make sure to put the link below. But they sent me out a hoodie. They just want me to check it out and see if I like it, and I do have a promo code going with them right now, so I'll tell you guys more about that once we get this open and check it out. Some gear. So it's like they make really graphic style hoodies and shirts. If you guys are into that, they definitely go all out with their stuff. One thing I really do like about this is they don't cheap out and just like throw their logo on something. They have like their own actual tags in here of their brand, and they also have one down here, which I think is pretty cool. I look at those small details like that. It comes with a sticker. Again, the name is Into the AM if you guys want to check them out. This is like a galaxy style one, and we're gonna see how it fits. See if I can get this camera situated. Alright, cool. Just got a brake lever in my ass. Oh, it's kind of too hot to be wearing a hoodie, which sucks. Oh, they also got their logo on the back right here, too. I didn't even notice that the first time I looked at it. I like how big the sleeves are, that's for sure. What do you guys think? It's actually not that thick. I thought it was going to be way thicker and hotter, but this is definitely something I could wear like springtime. It's actually super comfy. So if you guys would like to pick up a hoodie by this company, check out more of their stuff, I will have their link in the description below. If you guys like their stuff and you want to check it out and order something, make sure you use the code Golden Garage, and that'll get you 10% off your order. They are sponsoring this video. It's super sick the companies are reaching out. So show the support for the MOPBOYZ. Go get yourself a hoodie from them, and we'll make some sick stuff in the future happen. I can promise that, man. We got another surprise for you guys. Ready with the big reveal? Another scooter. This one is actually my buddy James, and he just picked it up. It was running. It's a 50cc completely stock scooter. We took the plastics off, obviously. As you can tell, it's all messed up looking. But he picked it up as a title and everything, so it's pretty legit. It's pretty sweet. It was running. It was super slow, and we thought it was just a carburetor issue. The guy said it was a clutch issue. It would go like 5 miles per hour. We then put a new clutch I had in, cleaned out the carb, and now it won't start at all. But it's a, I mean, I don't even know what brand, a Rakita? Sick though, the plastics are right here for the sides. But yeah, we cannot get this thing to run no more. It's weird. I also did just plug in this ground though, because there was a ground right here and that was unplugged. I mean, I think it's a ground. It's green and yellow. I don't know. The fuse popped the other day, so I'm gonna go like this. Maybe we can get some juice out of it. Maybe we can get it started. That'd be crazy if I got it started right now. We're getting fuel. I could see a bubble in the fuel right there, so it has fuel. It has like decent compression. Like, it feels alright, like I can hear it. Everything's plugged in. It has fuel in the tank. I'm gonna check the spark right now, but it's kind of weird. Also, you know, it's only right to show my support for the people who support the MOPBOYZ. Throw it on the toolbox for your boys. Shout out to Into the AM. You guys are tight. So I guess I'm gonna check if it's getting a spark actually. So in order to do that, you're just unplugging the spark plug wire. And then we're gonna grab a tool. I don't know where my spark plug tools went, but it's a, looks like this one's a 17. So. Wow, that thing looks burnt as hell. Can you guys see that? Look at that thing. And to do that, all I'm doing is plugging the spark plug back into here. There it goes, and then you're gonna make this ground out. I don't have the electrical starter hooked up, so I have to like kick this at the same time I'm doing it. I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I think I'm just gonna rest it. Got out boxes of moped parts because I just found another plug in here. Let's see if this will do any difference. If this isn't it, I'm probably not gonna try anything much else today because I've got some other stuff I gotta do today. So much better on that first one. Wait a minute.
Near Sunset, you see the Ladies Action Auto Show, a crash in the Southern Beltway, westbound at Buffalo. Number 1 is eastbound at Jones.
Leg is already sore just from doing that like the 20 times I did. That's insane. I hope you guys are stoked for another scooter. Basically, I didn't really go into depth about it, but my buddy's from work and he just bought it and he wants to ride around with us. So I'm gonna get it running for him. I gotta fix it up a little bit because some stuff is wrong with it, and then more moped videos for you guys. But it's just a stock 50cc scooter, so we just gotta get it running. Expect more awesome stuff coming soon. Make sure to like, guys. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
That was so much cooler than like that. No shit.
Hey, you low-key got that if you don't.
It landed so smoothly. Grandma's mad if you don't got the helmet. I respect the grandma for that. he needs the skid lid. Yeah, just scrub it, bro. You got it. Oh! Yo! What the fuck? Oh. That one was dialed.
Is that still case?
I don't think so. I don't know. Robert coming in for the final jump here. MOPBOYZ style. Little case. Little case.
I don't know how to like get the front end down.
Bro, you're doing good. On the last like 5, you were clean.
Huh?
On the last like 5 of them, you were like dialed, just like chilling.